How to unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2300 printer series. Open the box and then remove the documents and power cable. A USB cable is required for setting up the printer. Remove the black and tricolor ink cartridges. Remove the printer from the box and then remove the foam supports. Remove all plastic from around the printer and then remove all blue tape, including the pieces that lead inside the printer. Open the output tray and then the ink cartridge access door. Inside the cartridge access area, remove all tape and packing materials. Close the cartridge access door. From the unboxed materials, grab the power cord and connect it to the printer. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Open the cartridge access door. Remove the black cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by its sides and pull the tab to remove the plastic tape. Slide the cartridge into the right slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps to install the tricolor setup cartridge in the left slot. Close the cartridge access door. Lift the input tray to its locked position. Slide the paper guide to its outermost position. Load paper into the input tray. Slide in the paper guide until it rests on the edge of the paper. Open the output tray extender. With the hardware setup complete, it's time to install the software. On your computer, go to 123.hp.com. Follow the prompts to download and install HP Smart. Once installed, open the app. On the welcome screen, select Continue. Choose if you want to allow HP Smart to collect your usage data. Select the plus icon. Select Set up a new printer. Choose to set up your printer using a USB connection and then select Continue. Connect a USB cable to the printer and computer. With the USB cable connected, select Continue. When your printer is detected, select Continue. Select Continue again. After following the prompts, HP Smart displays the tasks and settings for your printer.